weather, brought to you by Route 66 Chevrolet and Nissan of Tulsa.
Good evening, I'm meteorologist Brandon. Only tracking just one lone shower across the entire 2 Works For You viewing area right now, well to the south of McAllister. That one shower should fade away off the radar scan here over the next couple of hours. I would say a good bet of that will be right after sunset. Now, the latest pollen count, we're still not doing good because of the weeds and also the mold spores, especially ragweed. That is the #1 weed showing up across the area right now when they collect the samples. The current lake level situation, it is normal for Skytook. Great news there. The highest lake looks to still be Fort Gibson at 8 feet above normal, 4 feet for Hudson, and just 1 foot above normal for Grand Lake. That is a live look at Grand Lake now in the Shangri-La Resort, part of the Buffalo Run Casino and Resort Weather Camera Network. Another pool day tomorrow. Next week is the last week of summer, and temperatures still going to be fairly warm for this time of year. 1 o'clock into the upper 80s, warming up fast once again tomorrow, and actually more sunshine in store tomorrow and less cloud cover. 93 degrees at 4 o'clock. Now at 92 at the Tulsa International Airport, southwesterly winds between 5 and 10. That is our daytime high so far today. The sunset tonight just 3 minutes after 7:30. 89 now in Coffeyville, 88 in Grove, 90 out to the east in Tahlequah, and 91 for our viewers in Stigler. On the visible satellite picture, since about the middle part of this morning, around 9 o'clock, we had a lot of sunshine this morning. Then we saw those cumulus clouds increase up from the south. You can see that there, starting out around McAllister, Henrietta, going up towards the Tulsa metro area. Tropical storm Umberto, you can see right there around the area of low pressure, lots of cloud cover, showers, and thunderstorms. Great news for Florida. The central part of the storm is going to stay well to the east of the East Coast, becoming, though, a Category 1 hurricane, eventually a Category 2 as it speeds off there in throughout the Atlantic, and we could see those winds topping out at 105 miles per hour on Wednesday. Timing things out on future track, clouds and precipitation. Melting away the clouds tonight, becoming mostly clear later tonight. Mainly clear skies overnight. A lot of sunshine for tomorrow on your Sunday. We could see a few clouds popping up once again for tomorrow afternoon, but we'll call it mostly sunny. Probably just a few cumulus clouds and some higher clouds, cirrus clouds, into the mix. The overnight low in Tulsa, 70 degrees. South winds between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. That southern shower, if another shower pops up, the showers will fade away after sunset tonight. Tomorrow, a little bit warmer by about a degree. 93 degrees, south winds all less than about 10 miles per hour. Our average daytime high for this time of year is 84 degrees. Your latest 10-day forecast, so next week again, the last week of summer, and it's going to feel like it for sure. Daytime highs into the 90s, and I should mention the first official day of fall, Vincent, is Monday, September 23rd.
Kids, can you clap? Because your teacher is the 2 Works For You Excellent Educator, brought to you by Patriot Auto Group. Yeah! Paige White had no idea what was happening when 2 Works For You interrupted her 6th grade math class at Monroe Demonstration Academy. You were nominated, you were selected because of your outstanding service as a teacher. Wow. Yeah? What are your thoughts right now?
This is way overwhelming. All right.
A school teacher for 20 years, Miss White got into education because she knows math and reading can be frightening.
I just want to take that fear away from students, and I want them to succeed.
She wants students involved and active, and she's not afraid to use food as an incentive. One of her favorite days, March 14th, also known as Pie Day.
We proof pie, we eat pizza. We use cookies for different fractions and things because that gets their attention.
She raised her family around this kitchen table. A fresh coat of paint made it the focal point of her classroom. It's a place where students are invited to sit for specialized instruction.
That's why it says, no, you cannot sit here, because it's not general public, it's by invitation.
Her methods are working. These kids are succeeding, and they're not afraid of learning.
She makes the room bright. She always says good afternoon to us.
It's easy to understand her when she's teaching. Miss White is a good teacher because she's very respectful to her students.
So congratulations, Mrs. White. Here's to 20 more years in the classroom.
We're just honored to be part of this. It's amazing as you go in classrooms every day and you see you working hard. We just want to recognize you for doing what you do every day. I'm sure these students all know how good you are. Well, congratulations. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
One more round of applause for your teacher. Yay!
I'm Jen Subwinter with Two Works for You. Here are today's top stories. If you plan to head to the big football game today at TU against the OSU Cowboys, listen up. There will be a few changes going into the stadium. The university is implementing its clear bag policy. This means you will not be able to bring any cameras, purses, backpacks, or even fanny packs. There are only 3 options allowed into the games from now on. Now, there are a few exceptions to the new rules, such as small clutches, which are no bigger than 4.5 inches by 6.5, in addition to diaper bags and medical bags. In Stillwater, a restaurant manager is in jail accused of employing undocumented workers. On September 4th, ICE agents raided the El Vaquero restaurant and arrested the manager. Court documents show that Hector Flores Contreras admitted to having employees' photos and information on his phone in order to create fake documents. He told federal agents that he made the hires because they are hard workers. The manager faces several federal charges, including possessing false documents. And a heartbreaking image right here in Tulsa, hard to believe. Police say a witness saw someone throwing 3 kitties out of a moving car. The search for that person is underway. Police say the suspect was driving a van similar to the one on your screen, a 2009 or newer silver Honda Odyssey. On Facebook, Tulsa police say 2 of the kitties were found dead near 71st Street and Highway 169. The 3rd kitty was never found. Now, if you have any information that could help in this investigation, call police. Well, let's get a check of today's forecast with meteorologist Kerrigan Chauvin. Good morning, Kerrigan.
Good morning, and it's going to be nice and
Looking ahead to an event to bring awareness to Alzheimer's disease. I'm joined by Jamie Shirley this morning, the co-chair of this year's annual Walk to End Alzheimer's. Good morning.
Morning.
So tell us, what is the goal this year?
The goal this year is 1.25 million, and we're at about 58% right now, so we need to get more people to register at tulsawalk.org and go donate and raise some more money.
All right, so you're halfway there.
Halfway there, yeah.
So how many participants are you anticipating this year?
Oh gosh, I think we have a couple thousand registered right now.
All right, and where can people register for this?
At tulsawalk.org, you can register as your own team. You can join another team. We'd love to have you on the Senior Star team as well.
All right, tell us a little bit about the activities. I know there's a 5K.
It's 1.5 miles,
1.5 miles
is the long route, and then there's a shorter route as well. It's a family fun event, so we'll have a kids area with games. We have some fun surprise guests that will be coming that will be really fun. We have along the walk, we have the Tulsa Totally 80s radio station out. They'll be playing music, so it'll be a lot of fun.
All right, thank you so much. And tell us about any cost to this, to participate.
So, no cost to register. You just go on, you register at tulsawalk.org. We do ask that you raise $100 at least. That gets you an Alzheimer's Walk shirt. And it's really about fundraising. One of the biggest things that's preventing us from finding a cure is funding. And so we really just are looking for great fundraisers out there to come join us to support the cause.
So all the funds will go back to the organization to help families.
Absolutely. It goes to the Alzheimer's Association. It helps with research, which is important to find that cure. It goes to the supportive services that the Alzheimer's Association provides, and then, of course, awareness.
All right, thank you so much for being with us this
Thank you.
morning. Well, the Walk to End Alzheimer's is next Saturday, September 21st at Veterans Park. The walk starts at 9 in the morning. We're going to be right back.